The secret of action, turning obstacles into fuel. Stoic resilience is the mastery of action, which involves an active, alchemical process of transforming life's obstacles into fuel for growth, virtue, and purpose. This concept is perfectly captured by Marcus Aurelius's famous maxim, "The impediment to action advances action." What stands in the way becomes the way. Where most people see a roadblock, a Stoic sees the path itself. This principle is rooted in Amor Fati, or a love of one's fate. More than simple optimism, Amor Fati is a courageous and profound acceptance of reality, combined with a fierce determination to not just endure hardship, but to embrace it and use it as a source of strength. Thomas Edison embodied this mindset. In 1914, when a massive fire destroyed his entire laboratory complex, his life's work turned to ash before his eyes. Instead of despairing, the 67-year-old inventor remained calm. He famously told his son to get his mother and her friends because they'll never see a fire like this again. Edison saw the disaster not as a tragedy, but as an opportunity, stating, "We've just gotten rid of a lot of rubbish." He viewed the event as a chance to rebuild and start fresh. Within a year, his factory was partially running again and generated over $10 million in revenue. Edison didn't just accept his fate, he loved it, finding the advantage within the adversity. This mindset transforms every crisis into a classroom and every obstacle into a training ground for the four cardinal Stoic virtues: wisdom, courage, justice, and temperance. A complex problem becomes a chance to practice wisdom, facing fear is an opportunity for courage, unfair treatment is a field for justice, and the temptation to anger is a test of temperance. From this viewpoint, resilience is the natural byproduct of a life dedicated to virtuous action, where pain is used as a whetstone to sharpen one's character. To practice this, one can start with a simple but radical mental exercise. The next time something goes wrong, the immediate internal response should be the word, "good." If your car won't start, it's a good opportunity to practice patience. If a client rejects your proposal, it's a good chance to analyze and improve it. This exercise is not about denying frustration but about short-circuiting the victim mentality and immediately shifting the brain into an opportunity-seeking mode. As Seneca wrote, "Difficulties strengthen the mind, as labor does the body." The goal is not to seek an easy life, but to cultivate the strength to endure a difficult one, finding resilience in the transformation of obstacles.